Hi, my name is Steve Gabel. I am a hair restoration surgeon in Portland, Oregon. We had somebody ask, is FUE a scarless procedure? And the answer to that is no. So if you read anywhere or see anything that says FUE, follicular unit excision, or the old term was follicular unit extraction, if you see anywhere or hear anywhere that they offer or some company offers scarless FUE surgery, that is absolutely false. During follicular unit excision, a small punch around 1 millimeter is used to make an incision in the skin and remove a follicular unit. There is a potential space that is left in that area. What happens with that potential space is that fluid fills in there, okay? Plasma, platelets, and bodily fluids fill that, and then a scar forms over that. Typically, the scar will be slightly lighter in color than the surrounding skin, which we call hypopigmentation. So somebody will end up with a small hypopigmented scar in that area. Typically, the scar is about the size of the punch. So if a doctor uses a 0.0 or a 0.8 millimeter punch, they will typically end up with around a 0.8 millimeter scar. If somebody uses a 1.0 millimeter punch, you'll end up with a 1 millimeter scar in that area. If you use a 4 millimeter punch, you'll end up with a 4 millimeter scar. And people have seen that in the past where somebody shows photos of somebody's donor area where they took cornrows out. Those were 4 millimeter punches. So in summary, there is no such thing as scarless hair restoration surgery. There is no such thing as scarless FUE or follicular unit excision surgery. Every time an incision is made in the skin, there will be a scar. Now we hope that the scar will be absolutely minimal. So when we do strip harvesting where we make a linear incision, we hope it's going to be a minimal scar. Same thing with FUE hair restoration surgery. When we harvest grafts using the FUE technique, we hope that a patient is going to scar really well, so it's going to be minimal. So there's very little hypopigmentation of the skin and that the color blends very well. Thank you so much. If you have questions, please go to our website, www.gabelcenter.com. If you're interested in a consultation, please give us a call, 503-693-1118. And I'll look forward to meeting you. Thank you very much.